Hello everybody, back again with another quick tutorial on the Light Modeling Paste by Liquitex. It is amazing, it's opaque, and it finishes matte, and it is not as thick as the modeling paste would be, but you still get that thickness, that beautiful texture with it just being a little bit more malleable. So what we're going to do is mix one color at a time using my Catalyst tool. I'll talk about that a little bit more. And just keeping the brush strokes nice and thick and broad. That's why we're going to do one layer at a time, so then we could be as broad and nice and thick without losing that with this style. So I know some people like to just put the modeling paste right on the canvas and paint and put the pigment on top. That is a cool way to use it too, but for me, I like it this way. It's a little bit more controlled, and I can get it thicker or not as thick, and I know what I have to work with. So the Catalyst tool is from Blick, or you could get them anywhere, I'm sure, but I got them from Blick, and they're like a rubber tool. It's like a rubber paintbrush, pretty much. I could be butchering that, but they're great. They have different sizes, different shapes, different textures, so you can do so much with it. So you could see the texture building up already, and it looks amazing. Still a couple more layers to go. I keep with this style on the same plate. I don't know why. I think it's easier to see my colors that way. It's just a weird quirk that I do when I'm using this paste. I know it's bad for the environment. So the last and final, I'm going to come in and do the same gray, blue, white color that I did majority of it, and blend it all together and bring it all in and make it one piece, make them belong with each other. Mariah Carey. Now look at that beautiful texture, nice and thick. Colors are still pretty separate, but blended a little bit with the gray, blue, white color that I got. The texture is just unmatched to me. And as always, I will link everything that I used in the description so you can create this in any sort of way. Thanks for watching.